Okay, so everyone is ready. Shall we start? Okay, then I'm presenting you the screen and we can start the work.
Ma'am, can you just 1 minute time?
You don't have the worksheet?
No, Mama is doing print out.
Oh, okay, no problem, Vedika. If in case you don't have the worksheet, please write it in the notebook, okay? Okay, I'm starting with it, okay? Now you will tell me the answer one by one. So what we will say to this? Yes, Shivan, tell me the answer. What is this picture called? Yes, Kamrak. So you have to write the word. 4-letter word. Ha, Kamrak. So you have to write Kamarakha, Kamrak. Ka, ma, ra, kha, right? Kamrak. Yes, किया. Perfect, बच्चा. Kamarakha, Kamrak. Then next we have, next answer will be given by Rita. You will tell me what is this next answer? What we will call to this?
Sharbat.
Yes, Sharabata, Sharbat. So write down Sharbat. Sha, Ra, Ba, Ta. Sharbat. Okay. Next answer will be given by Laksh. You will tell me what is this? No, this is not shalgam. This is jackfruit. Jackfruit in Hindi, what we will say? Kathal. We will say Kathala, Kathal. Okay, so write down Ka, Ta, Ha, La. Kathal. Okay. Next answer, yes, Kia. Tell me what is this picture?
Achkan.
Very good. So write down A, Cha, Ka, Na, Achkan. A, Cha, Ka, Na. Okay. Achkan. Okay. Next we have this. The answer will be given by Vedika. You will tell me what is this answer?
Ajgar.
Ajgar. Yes. Then write down Ajagara. Ajgar. A J G R. Ajgar. Now, Paki. Tell me what is this, Paki? Which picture is this? Paki. Paki. Paki, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. આ શું છે? ફાયર ટ્રકને શું કહેવાય હિન્દીમાં?
Damkal.
Yes, correct. So we will say Damkal. Okay, correct. Damakala. Damkal. Da. Ma. Ka. La. Okay. Damkal. Ma'am is handwriting not good here, but you all will write in a good handwriting. Okay. I was not able to manage, but you will write in a good handwriting. Write in the blue lines. Okay.
दमकल मतलब सामड्रक होती है पानी को
Damakal.
बुझाने के लिए होती है
हाँ.
ल
Unmute your microphone now. Now, Yanvi, tell me what is this picture? Yanvi? Okay, Prayag, you know it. What is the answer here? What is this, Prayag? Okay. Prayag, are you there? Shlok, you tell me what is this picture?
उपवन
Very good, bacha. Correct. Upavan. So write down U Pa Va Na. Upavan. Ayansh, tell me what is this picture? Huh? Yes, Ayansh?
धनुष
धनुष. बट ये तो मात्रा वाला वर्ड हो गया, विदाउट मात्रा वाला वर्ड है. Tarkash. What is this? Tarkash. Okay. Tarkash. Tarkash. Write down Tarkash. हाँ, Tarkash. We will say it is Tarkash. Tarkash. Now, Arav, tell me what is this picture? Arav. Arav.
अदरक
Adrak. Yes, correct. So write down Adaraka. Adrak. अदरक. Danish, you will tell me what is this picture. I'll give you Kia once again chance. I will give you. Let me ask once to everyone and then afterwards. Okay?
Yes.
What is this picture called? किसका picture है ये? Okay, then you don't know. Danish, आपको नहीं पता?
नहीं.
Then Kia, tell me which picture is this?
I know. Burger का tree.
हाँ?
Burger का tree.
Yes, Bargad. Okay, so this is called Bargad. Bargad.
मैंने सारा हो गया.
Yes, बच्चा, correct. अच्छा, आपका complete हो गया? Wait, then. Danish, mute your microphone. The Bargad. Then next answer. Nivan will give. Nivan, tell me what is this picture called? Huh? Yes. Kasarat. Kasarat. Write down. Kasarat. And the last, yes, Hime, tell me what is the last picture, Hime?
Burton.
Yes, correct. Bartan. Na. Bartan.
Ma'am, I finished all.
Okay.
And ma'am.
Okay. If you are done with this much, just let me know. Kamarak, Sharbat, Kathal, Achkan, Ajgar, Damkal, Upwan, Tarkash, Adrak, Bargad,
Done.
and Bartan.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, very nice then. I hope everyone is done. Gauri, you are done. Okay, Kia, I can see, bacha. Just a minute, once again.
Ma'am, done.
Nice, Kia, very nice. Good.
Ma'am, done.
Done, Shlok?
Ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am.
It's a worksheet done.
Ma'am, I write my name, date, and
That's very good, Vedika. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Just a minute, huh? We will finish only question number 2. We will try to finish till question number 2. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to bifurcate the word. Okay. Word को तोड़ के लिखना है. शब्द तोड़कर लिखो. Okay. So this is adrak. So हमने किया कल. If you remember, you will write a plus the plus ra plus ka. Okay. So adrak. In the same way you have to write. Yes, Kia, correct. Then the next word is achkan. So you will write a cha oh. च ka na. Okay, now you will do it by yourself. This is the way you have to do. Oh, sorry. Some of you are writing with the notebook. Just a minute, I'll share it one second. You will finish only question number 2, okay? No need to finish question number 3 today. Just question number 1 and question number 2.
Ma'am, 3 is homework.
I will let you know. Only question number 3 is there, right? Then, yes, 3 is your homework.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
Yes, ma'am.
ये क्वेश्चन 2 तक ही करना है.
हाँ, only question 2 till question number 2.
ओके ओके.
Yeah.
Ma'am, C.
Shivena, I can't see bacha properly. It's showing blurred. Okay, I can see little bit. Good, Shiven. I can't see much properly, but I can see you have completed. Very nice. Kia, done? Very good. Kia, I think so 2 more words is there. Only 1 more word is there. Finish the last one. Then you are done. 1.
Done.
Done?
Can
Good.
I use?
Okay, Kia. Very good. Who else is done?
Done.
Done? Lux, just a minute.
You ma'am.
Okay, Kia, you can.
Can I go?
Yes, Lux. Perfect, bacha. Perfect. Good.
Thank you. Ma'am,
हाँ बच्चा.
what number? So, homework करना है.
Yes, question number 3 जो है ना, you will finish it at home because you have to just write the word. You have to join the letters and you have to write the word. ठीक है? That is your
नंबर
homework.
3 भी करना है.
हाँ?
नंबर 3 भी करना है.
नहीं बच्चा, नंबर 3 अभी नहीं करना. You have to complete it at home. Okay?
मैम मैंने नंबर 2 भी कंप्लीट, नंबर 1 भी कंप्लीट.
Show me your page.
ओके मैम.
Yes, I can see question number 1. Now show me question number 2. ये 3 है बच्चा. हाँ, show me. Good.
बाय मैम.
Okay, bye-bye. Yes, the one who has completed the worksheet, they can leave the class.
Ma'am,
हाँ लक्ष्य.
can I leave?
हाँ बच्चा, you can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Nivan, what are you doing, Nivan?
मैम he said सबका हो गया, तो मुझे हाथ पकड़ के जल्दी जल्दी लिखवा लो.
नो निवन, जिसका हुआ भी बहुत सारे लोगों का बाकी. यू विल राइट इट बाय योरसेल्फ, मम्मा विल नॉट हेल्प यू.
हॉलीडे नहीं आता मैंने, होता मैं संडे ना भी क्लास चालू.
सही बात है. आई विल टेक अ क्लास ऑन संडे आल्सो इफ यू विल बिहेव लाइक दिस. यू विल कंप्लीट इट बाय योरसेल्फ.
यानी बर्थडे मनाते नहीं जॉइन
Fast.
जॉइन बोलो जल्दी.
Just a minute. Yes, Hriday, wait a minute, I'll see.
I'm done.
Very good, Hriday, very nice. Perfect, bacha. Nicely written.
Ma'am, can I leave?
हाँ बच्चा, you can leave. Bye bye.
I'm done.
Yes, Arav, show me your worksheet. Yes, I can see the first page. Show me the question number 2. गुड आरव, लेकिन आरव हैंडराइटिंग बहुत गंदी निकाली है आपने. नेक्स्ट टाइम आप लाइन में प्रॉपर्ली लिखोगे. ओके
Okay.
ठीक है.
Bye, ma'am.
हैंडराइटिंग अच्छी करनी है. वी हैव टू इंप्रूव आवर हैंडराइटिंग. ओके
Okay. Bye.
बाय. आयांश, व्हाट हैपेंड टू यू? Vedika, done?
I'm done.
Nice, Vedika. Good.
Bye.
Bye bye. देखो तो नहीं. Kanak, you are not well, bacha. It's okay. Slowly complete. If you don't feel good, you can complete afterwards. That's fine. निवान, क्या हो रहा है? Okay, class, I'm ending here our Hindi class. The one who has finished, that's very nice. If you have not finished, you will complete it and show me in the next class. Okay? The class is over right now for you all.